Federal court rules that tuition does not need to be paid for study permit applications. The case of T. Tehrani v. Canada has positive implications for international students. Tehrani, a citizen of Iran, applied for a study permit after being accepted to a project management program at a Toronto college. Tehrani's study permit application was refused because the immigration officer was not satisfied that he would leave Canada at the end of his authorized stay. The decision was based on Tehrani's marital status, family ties in Canada, and the fact he only paid part of his tuition to hold his place in the program. On the issue of tuition payment, the court explained that, according to Immigration and Refugee Protection Regulations, IRPR, an applicant only needs to establish that they have been accepted into a program of study. The applicant does not need to prove that any or all tuition has been paid. Rather, IRPR only requires the individual to prove that they have the financial ability to pay for tuition and other expenses. The officer erred by using the fact that Tehrani did not pay his full tuition as cause for refusing his study permit application. Further, the officer never found that Tehrani did not have the financial capacity to pursue his studies in Canada. Overall, the court deemed that the payment of tuition was unrelated to whether Tehrani would leave Canada at the end of his authorized stay. The court concluded by finding that the officer's decision to refuse Tehrani's study permit was unreasonable, as it lacked justification and failed to engage with the evidence Tehrani provided. The Tehrani case emphasizes educational affordability and the importance of providing accommodations for international students looking to study in Canada. The ruling removes a barrier to access for foreign nationals looking to study in Canada that may not be able to pay all or part of their tuition at the time they submit their study permit application. As long as an applicant is able to demonstrate that they have the requisite financial resources to pay for tuition and other expenses when required, they are invited to apply for a study permit and will not be penalized for unpaid tuition during the application submission stage. Canada is a popular destination for international students due to the country's high quality of education and its affordability, especially compared with other popular international student destinations. In addition, Canada provides accessible work and immigration opportunities post-graduation.